Good morning, children. Welcome to English online class. Today, what we are going to do? We learn about cursive writing and how we will write cursive letters. Children, you have already known about capital and small alphabets. I know that all of you learn it very well. Okay, fine. Children, to do the work in a rough 4-line note with neat and clean handwriting. Now we are going to learn about how to write cursive writing alphabet and small letter alphabet. Okay. Keep one thing in your mind. When you are writing cursive, your hand should not be removed before the alphabet get. இதான் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சா கையை அப்படியே கண்டினியூவாக கொண்டு போய் எழுதணும். கையை இடையில என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே ஃபைன். This is letter alphabet A. Then small cursive letter A. This one is alphabet B. Small cursive B. Alphabet C. Small cursive letter C. Small letter, sorry children, this is capital letter D and small cursive D. Okay, now we are going to write how to write the letters. One by one. You have 4 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One thing, you start only with the third line. Now you start with this first third line to go up and come down and make a curve in this side. You get alphabet A. Okay. Then now repeat again. You start with third line to go up and come down to third line and make a curve. Okay, fine. Then we know how to write letter B. You start with first line, come down to third line and make a curve and make a half circle and make a half circle. Okay, this way to write alphabet B. Once again I write, you make a line, standing line from the first line to third line and make a curve and make a half circle line and another half circle line to get alphabet B. Then we see the letter C. How to write it? You touch the second line to make a small curve and touch the first line. Then come down to third line. We get C. Okay. Then once again I repeat it. You make a curve from second line to first line and make a half circle coming down to third line. This is alphabet C. Okay. Then we start the letter alphabet D. Make one slanting line from first line to third line. Make a small round and make a half circle curve to the first line and we get D. And once again I repeat, the slanting line from first line to third line, make a small round and make a half circle curve. Then do this way, we get alphabet D. Then next we see the small letter cursive alphabet pakapur. Then you make a small curve from third line to second line. Okay. Write this way. Then make a full circle and come come down to and make it, we get letter A. Then once again I repeat it. You make a small curve from third line to second line and write a letter O. Then small curve from third line. Okay, we get a alphabet, small letter alphabet A. Then we learn about letter B, small letter B. You start with third line to first line in a slant curve line and make our standing line, small curve, and this way we get small alphabet B. Once again I repeat it. We start from this third line to first line in one curve and make a standing line and make a half circle and write this way. We get small alphabet B. Then we write with small alphabet C. Then make a one curve line from third to second line. Make a half circle, then go inside. This is small letter alphabet. Then once again I repeat. You make a curve from third line to first line. Make a half circle and curve this way. We get small letter cursive C. Now we see the letter D and how to write it. You start with the third line with the same that of small letter A and make a one standing line from the first line to third line. We get letter D. Once again I repeat. You make a small curve from third line to second line and make a letter A and going a first line to standing line from the first line to third line. Then we get letter D. Children, today's homework is daily practice to write patterns, capital and small cursive letters from A to D. Thank you children. We will see you on next class.